Hi, welcome to Missologist. So I just spent like an hour clearing out my phone just so I'd have room for this. I have to clear out so much stuff. There's so much shit in this phone. But that's not what the video is about today. Today, we are making a red pill and a blue pill. Cocktails inspired by the Matrix to celebrate the new Matrix Resurrections movie. Whether it deserves celebration, I'm not sure, but it seemed like a fun thing to do. So, but before we get into that, I want to thank you for subscribing and liking my videos and watching my videos. And please offer the like button their choice of either a red pill or a blue pill, and then give them the opposite of what they asked for. Okay, so we're making a red pill and a blue pill. Hold on one sec. I need, I need this liqueur, peach liqueur. Yeah, okay. I need that, basically. And, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1.5 shots of peach brandy, because it wanted schnapps, but I couldn't find it, so I'm using brandy, which shouldn't really make a difference. And we're gonna put that in here, in the shaker. Okay, so we're putting that in the shaker. And we're combining it with pineapple juice. So I have some Dole pineapple juice. I need 3 ounces, of pineapple juice. And I'm going to put the pineapple juice in here with the peach stuff. Okay. All right, so 3 ounces of pineapple. And then I am going to go get...
We can't see it, but we're all trapped inside these strange repeating loops.
Okay, so I'm back with the ice. So we're gonna put some ice cubes in here with the peach brandy and the pineapple. And shake that. And these should be pretty cool looking, actually. But you know, we'll see. Okay, so I put my ice in. I'm going to shake it. And now we're going to strain these into these ladybug glasses. About half in one, about half in the other. Smells really nice. Okay, it's all foamy because of the pineapple juice. Okay, so now we are going to take the some new glasses. And we're going to put the 2 ounces of vodka in one glass. If I can find my here. 2 ounces of vodka in one of the glasses. Okay. And 2 ounces in the other one. Okay. And then we're gonna put 1 ounce of blue curacao in one of these and 1 ounce of Palma in the other. I am trying to screw the shaker cap onto the vodka bottle, which is why it's not working. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna do the blue curacao and the Palma. It actually called for strawberry liqueur, but I could not find that, so I decided to use Palma instead because Palma is really, really delicious. Okay, so blue curacao. Boy, that's blue, all right. And we're putting that in here. And then we're gonna take our Palma and we're gonna pour 1 shot in this glass. Okay. So I just saw the other Matrix movies. I actually just saw The Matrix for the first time this year, and then I just watched the other 2 Matrixes not that long ago, and all I can say is they're movies you need red and blue pills with because, yeah, not very good. It's kind of orangey actually, but you know, it's essentially red, so we're going with it. Okay.
What? Strange things are afoot at the Circle K.
So now what we gotta do is take our vodka and blue curacao and layer it over here. And it's supposed to be all pretty. I mean, it is a pretty color. I was hoping it would, you know, be more interesting, but that's okay. And we're gonna layer this over this one. And get our sort of orangey, but it's supposed to be red pill. So these are our red pills and blue pills. So let's give them a try. Let's see how they are. I'm gonna go with the red pill first. Smells really good because it's pineapple juice and Palma and, you know, vodka. I mean, and peach brandy. So. It's really, really nice. A little strong. That's probably the peach brandy I'm tasting, but it's nice with the pineapple juice, the Palma. It's really refreshing, and yeah, I could see, you know, serving these at a party if you're having like a Matrix party or something, or hell, if you're having a lake house party, because I've seen that movie so many times. It's kind of ridiculous, but okay, so let's try this one. This is the blue pill. So yeah, not as big of a fan of the blue one. It's a little strong for me, not as much pineapple coming through. It's very, I don't know, it's just different. I like the red one more, but again, for a party or something, these would be awesome. And I think, you know, again, they'll help you get through the other 2 Matrixes because they were really, really bad. So anyway, this has been cocktails in honor of the new Matrix Resurrections movie. If you are just, you know, tuning into this channel, I welcome you. Nice to have you. Please subscribe. And if you haven't yet, please offer the like button their choice of a red pill or a blue pill, and then give them the opposite one of the one they asked for. Thank you so much for tuning in, and cheers.